so today I'm gonna show you how to get a flawless, glowy, dewy base using skincare and makeup products. Now first comes skincare, because when your skin looks good, your makeup will look good, and prepping your skin is very important to ensure that the makeup glides on smoothly and looks flawless on your skin instead of looking cakey. So before you begin with prepping your skin, you want to wash your face, you want to cleanse your face to remove any excessive dirt and oil off your skin and start off on a clean base. The second step is to apply an illuminating skin serum instead of going for a makeup based illuminator, because when you apply a makeup based illuminator, it kind of gives you that glow but it looks very unnatural. Whereas whenever you use a skincare based serum, a skincare based illuminator, it gives you a more natural looking glow, as if your skin is glowing from within. So I'm going to be using this MamaEarth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. The serum is very lightweight and it gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. Now I'm only going to apply the serum on this side of my face. I'll be applying all the products only on this side to show you a difference between both of the sides of my face. Now when you compare both of the sides, you can clearly see on this side where I applied the face serum, this looks so illuminated, it looks so dewy and so glowy, and it looks so hydrated. Whereas this side lacks that hydration, it lacks that glow, it lacks that illumination. So this is the instant result that you can expect with this MamaEarth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. If you want to apply like a full face of makeup, do your base using foundation and concealer and everything, then a skin serum is not enough, and you want to apply a moisturizer to ensure that your skin does not look dry and flaky. So for moisturization, I'm going to go in with this MamaEarth Vitamin C Daily Glow Face Cream. Now this has a medium consistency and it's suitable for all skin types. Again, I'm only going to apply it on this side of my face, and as you can see, once I'm blending it, it's turning into this mousse like consistency, and this kind of a consistency is really easy to work with. It gets absorbed into the skin really fast. You're gonna see. You guys saw for yourself how quickly this got absorbed into the skin, and it's given my skin the perfect amount of moisture. My skin does not feel dry at all, and at the same time it does not feel like too greasy. It's like the perfect amount of moisture that's there on my skin. And now again, when you compare, the side just looks so much more glowing, it looks so much more hydrated and plump, whereas this side just looks plain blah. Both of these skincare products that I use by MamaEarth contain vitamin C and turmeric as the main ingredients. Vitamin C helps to boost collagen production, it repairs your skin and gives your skin that instant glow. Whereas turmeric helps to reduce dullness, it helps to reduce sun tanning and pigmentation, and also provides an instant glow on your skin. So that's why you see all of that glow. It's because of the vitamin C and turmeric in these products. So both of these products are great for radiant glowing skin, and they also help in reducing hyperpigmentation. And these products can be used daily or like on an everyday basis, and if you use them every day like for 4 weeks, you'll see 100% improvement in the glow of your skin. They're also super affordable, and on top of that, I have a discount code for these products. Stay tuned till the end of the video to find that out. Now that's all about skincare. Moving on to makeup, I'm using this MamaEarth Glow Serum Foundation, and this is in the shade 03 Nude Glow. I'm just taking the tiniest amount of this foundation because I just want to apply it on one side. And firstly, I'm gonna dot it all over my face using my fingers. Now you want to use a beauty blender for this purpose. Skip the makeup brush, because when you blend your base products with the help of a makeup brush, it's sort of like, also soaks in the moisture from your skin, whereas blending using a beauty blender provides a little bit of moisture to your skin since this is damp. Moreover, whenever you use a makeup brush, it sort of like provides you more with full coverage because it doesn't really absorb product, whereas a beauty blender absorbs the excessive product and leaves your skin with just the right amount of product, and that does not make your skin look cakey at all. So if you want a more dewy, a more glowy and a more non-cakey base, then you should go for a beauty blender to blend out your foundation. So I'm just blending this out, and this foundation is super lightweight. It also provides like a 2x glow to your skin, and it's sort of a hydrating foundation. It does not dry out your skin, so it's perfect for the winter time. As you can see, it's so easy to blend. It's already like disappeared into my skin. And the best part is that it looks skin like. Nobody can tell that you're wearing base makeup if you apply this foundation. It looks very skin like. Now if you compare both of the sides, you can see how much more even toned my skin looks on this side, whereas on this side you can see those blemishes. You can see a little bit of unevenness here and there, but this side just looks so much more evened out. It looks so glowy, so dewy, and yeah, it looks so skin like at the same time. So I'm just gonna leave the foundation just up to that one layer. Don't go in with two layers. Don't go in with like more high coverage foundations, because that's just gonna defeat the purpose of that dewy base. It's gonna make your skin look more matte and more cakey. So if you want your skin to look dewy, just go in with one little like light layer of foundation, and it's gonna do the job for you. When you apply a concealer, you want to apply a hydrating concealer, and that's exactly what I'm going to be using today. So this is MamaEarth Glow Hydrating Concealer, and this is in the shade 02 Creme Glow. Now for concealing, I'm only going to apply this under my eyes, nowhere else, because I don't want to like layer a lot of products. I'm not going to be using this as a highlighting concealer on all the high points of my face. For that, I'll use a separate highlighter or something if I need to. But for concealing, I'm only applying it under my eyes to cover up the dark circle. And to blend it, you can use a makeup brush, because you want like good coverage under your eyes. You don't want those under eye dark circles to be peaking. So you can use like a brush to blend this out. अगर आपका concealer काफ़ी high coverage है, then you can also use a beauty blender, but this has a light to medium coverage, so I'm just blending it with this brush. Now you want to set your base makeup, and you don't want to set your entire base makeup because that's going to cancel out the dewiness. The dewiness that you see, if I powder it with the help of this compact powder, it's going to like mattify the skin and, you know, get rid of the dewiness. So I don't want that. So I'm just gonna set my under eye region where my concealer can crease. So all you wanna do is just dab a little bit of compact powder, not even loose powder, just the tiniest feather touch of a compact powder under your eyes. And you can also like apply it around your mouth and around your nose if your skin creases there, but avoid powdering the rest of your face. And as a last and final step, you want to use a hydrating makeup setting spray and just spray it all over your face. This is going to help to refresh the makeup. This is going to help to take away any excess powder. It's going to help to settle down any cakiness that's there, and it's going to like blend all of that makeup together, giving you that more flawless and more dewy looking skin. After spraying the makeup setting spray, don't like dab your skin with the beauty blender. Just let it like naturally settle down. Just let it naturally evaporate and dry, and you're going to see the difference. So this is what my bare skin looks like where I did not apply any products, and this is what my skin looks like where I did a full face of makeup. And can you tell? It does not look like I did a full face of makeup. My skin looks so natural. It looks so beautiful and glowing and dewy and hydrated and everything. It looks so natural, and yet you can see a major difference on both of the sides. All of the pigmentation, discoloration, acne marks, anything like even dark circles, everything has been cancelled out on this side, and my skin looks so flawless over here. whereas this side it just looks so natural without any products. It looks like completely bare. So this is the kind of results that you can expect by following this entire base regime, using skincare first followed by makeup. This just shows how important pre-makeup skincare is, and prepping your skin using the right products is extremely essential if you want a glowy, dewy, flawless base like this. So I highly recommend you guys check out these MamaEarth products. I always make it a point to use this serum before applying makeup, and the combination of the serum and the moisturizer together has given me such beautiful skin. You can see that for yourself. So I highly recommend you guys check out these products. The purchase links are mentioned in the description box below. You can find them on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, or you can also shop them from MamaEarth's website and app and use my discount code Riya 2022 to get a 20% off. Apart from that, MamaEarth products are now available at stores near you, so you can find them offline at supermarkets, at general stores near you, which is like the best part. And if you purchase from MamaEarth's website, they link your order to a tree that they plant, which is again a really good thing that they're doing. So I highly recommend you check out these MamaEarth skincare products. They are the perfect pre-makeup based products that you can use to achieve flawless, glowy and dewy skin like this. So that is my tutorial on how to achieve a flawless base like this. I hope this video was helpful for you all. In case if you end up trying out this technique, do let me know in the comments below how it works out for you. Let me know what other videos would you like to see, and if you have any other hacks that you use to achieve flawless base like this, then also mention that in the comment section. I would love to try out some new hacks. So that was my video for today. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.